Are Nepenthes toxic for animals like cats and dogs? So let's talk about it. Hi, if you are new to my channel, my name is Remy and I've been growing Carnivorous plants since I'm 16. I've been focusing on growing Nepenthes on my windowsill since I moved to Canada. So I received a message last week, I guess. Is Nepenthes toxic for cats? It was cats, but anyway, is that toxic for cats and dogs and animals? So is Nepenthes toxic? That's a good question. Oh, that's some baby spinach from the backyard. Really good. Well, long story short, no, it's not toxic. Actually, it's more the other way around. Cats are toxic for Nepenthes. I cannot count how many people had troubles with their cats eating, chewing on the tendrils and preventing the plant to picture, actually. There is a lot of video that you can find on YouTube. Here is one. And there is also some posts on social media, like Reddit, where somebody had his cat just eating literally the plant. So you want really to protect the plants from the cats. You can hang the pots, it will help. You can put them in a glass cabinet, like the IKEA one, that would help too. You can maybe put them on an empty aquarium. If there is a glass and there is no space for the cat to jump on it, it won't be. You can try to train your cat. I'm not a cat person. For most people, when we talk about cats, they see that.
Somebody gonna get it.
And for me, when I talk about cat, I see that. So, I'm not a cat person, but maybe if you cannot train your cat, find some substitute. There is the cat grass, for example. If you have plenty at home, maybe it will prevent the cat to want to try the Nepenthes. But yeah, it's not toxic if your cat chew a few leaves. That's going to be okay. Worst case scenario, he would have some bad stomach, I would say, diarrhea, maybe vomiting, but he deserves it. And yeah, nothing really to be afraid of. So, if you have some tips how to prevent cat to destroy your Nepenthes, please leave that in the comment, because again, I cannot really talk about it. I'm not a cat person, as you guess. So, until next time, happy growing.